Hello and welcome to another tutorial by Software Master, and this is Friday tutorials. Friday night actually, but it's 8 o'clock. Now, what we're gonna do, or actually this tutorial is talking about how to make a bootable USB drive in or for any version of Windows on any Windows machine, because in this tutorial we are using the command Prompet, and what you're gonna need is the image or the files of the Windows that you wanna install, or make it bootable, and what you're gonna need is a bootable USB, which is already got to be connected, and the VMware so you can test if the USB is working. PLP boot manager is the thing that allow us to, or this is the image, or the ISO image that allows us to use or to boot the USB into the virtual VMware. So as you see, I already started or made my disk bootable, my USB, and started copying the files, which is almost 30% I think. So first of all, you need to right click the command prompt and run as administrator. Then you're going to type in disk part as shown over here. Now I'm going to type in list disk. Now as you see, these are my disks which are connected to my computer. The USB is 8 GB, which is recognized from the size. Here it is, almost 8,000 megabytes, which is disk 1. So I'm gonna type in select disk X, not actual letter X, but it's the disk number you got in here. I got 1, so I just typed in 1. You maybe have 3, 2, or whatever. So you should get a message which is disk 1 is now the selected disk. Then you type in clean, then disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now you're gonna type in create partition primary. Disk part succeeded in creating the specified partition. Select partition 1. Number 1 is the default. There is no other numbers, just 1. Now partition 1 is now the selected partition. Active. Disk part marked the current partition as active. Now you'll need to type in not this one. This one is format fs equals ntfs quick. Ntfs is the bootable disk, or bootable Windows disk, and the quick command is to make it quicker. When you have an 8 GB USB, it will take half an hour to format into an NTFS format. So you type in quick, it won't take more than 10 seconds. So this part successfully formatted the volume. Now I'm going to type in assign. Successfully assigned the drive leader or mount point. Then you're going to type in exit. When you type exit, you can just quit by the prompt. Now you need to go to the file. As you see, you can just copy it, go to computer, your USB drive, paste it in here. But actually, you're not always getting these files like that. Maybe there's an ISO, you don't have to extract it. Actually, there's a program that I like to use for the ISO files, which is ISO Power, which is this program. Let me just show it to you. Here it is, Power ISO. Another example of an ISO image for Windows. Let me show you one, which is the Windows 7 64-bit repair disk. You just right click it, borrow, so mount the image. As you see, you can right click, open, copy, paste. You don't have to extract, but I just got my these files are from an original disk. So here it is, almost finished. It's 93. So until it's finished, let us prepare the Oracle VMware VirtualBox for the process. You will run it, click new, name it whatever you want. Just name it Windows 8 Pro 864-bit. Now I'm just gonna change this. It won't stay in Microsoft Windows. It's gonna be like type Linux version Ubuntu. Next, give it almost 2000. Create. Next. Let's give it a 30 gigabyte. 30 gigabyte. I am going to install this Windows, but it's only for show you that it works. So you gotta go to the PLP Boot Manager and choose this as the ISO image. Now click Start. Let's just make this full screen, and actually in here you just don't press on USB. You go to devices, USB devices, SanDisk Firebird, USB flash drive. Then down here you will see your USB is connected. You go down with arrows, you control with arrows, USB, and here it is booting from the USB. Now you should just wait, and in a few seconds the Windows 8 icon or Windows 8 boot icon should appear. And here we go, it didn't take a long time. Here it is, this is the Windows 8 and boot icon. So I'm gonna just turn off this virtual machine only for show you that it works, and I'm gonna actually delete it. I don't need it. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and see you next Friday. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, rate and comment, share this video with friends, share it in Facebook, like my Facebook page, follow me on Twitter. All the links that I used in the video will be in description, and see you next Friday. Bye bye.